Hi all, you are welcome in your own channel Future Technology. This is the introduction of a data science video of the data science full course series. In this series, we will cover the full data science course. Introduction to data science. Firstly, we look our agenda of this video. What is data science? History of data science, skill of data scientist, future of data science, life cycle of data science. What is data science? Data science is a data related field in which we get information related to all type of data and do research on data. Data science is a process of extracting important information from any type of data using scientific method. We can say in simple words that data science is a simple process that extracts useful information related to data. Data science used data analysis, machine learning, data visualization, data mining to better understand the data and extract the right information from the data and analyze the data correctly, and employs mathematics, statistics and computer science subject. History of data science. The term data science has been tracked back to 1974 when Peter Nord proposed it as an alternative name for computer science. In 1996, the International Federation of a Classification Society became the firstly conference to specifically feature data science as topic. However, the definition was still in flux. In 1997, CEF Jeff Wu suggested that statistics should be renamed data science. He reasoned that a new name would help statistics shed inaccurate stereotypes such as being synonymous with accounting or limited to describing data. In 1998, Shiko Hayashi argued for data science as a new interdisciplinary concept with three aspects: data design, collection, and analysis. During the 1990s, popular term for the process of finding pattern in dataset, which were increasingly large, include knowledge discovery and data mining. The term data science was coined in the early 21st century by William S., who in 2001 expanded data science an action plan for the state of the field of statistics. Nearly a year later, the International Council for Science Committee on Data for Science and Technology began publication of the Core Data Science Journal starting in April 2002. Shortly thereafter, in January 2003, Columbia University published the Journal of Data Science started publishing. Skill of data scientists. Programming language like R and Python. The main reason is that people like this language because number of the package this language and the predefined package have more algorithm. So minimum you knowing the R and Python and data query language. A good understanding of a statistic is a visual as a data scientist. Statistics is very important to become a data scientist. Apart from that, you should also good understanding of probability theory and descriptive statistics. Concept make help better business decisions. Data wrangling is one of the most difficult and important tasks in data science, and data wrangling is all about cleaning a data. There are a lot of intention where data set and missing value, or they have inconsistent format or inconsistent value. Extraction and processing is all about getting data from the different data source and input in format so that analyzing it is also so important part of data science. In data science by machine learning, it is also an important part of data science. In data science by machine learning, manage data on many machine learning libraries implementing on R and Python. Visualizing and communication data is incredibly important, especially with young companies that are making data-driven decisions for the first time, or companies where data scientists are viewed as a people who help other make data-driven decisions. Data visualization is a part of data analysis and so many tools for using data visualization. Nowadays, so many frameworks are available. I think this time you cannot like use traditional data processing systems. So need for a framework work like Hadoop, Spark and framework handle this work. Future of data science. Data science is the most demanded field and data science future are very bright because in the coming time data scientists will be able to take a such decision with the help of data science, which will help a lot increase business. With the help of data science, such a decision can be taken which will solve complex problem quickly. companies will be able to reach the right offer to the right user, and the companies will be able to target the right user by the help of data science. Important information can be extracted from complex to complex data with the help of data science. Life cycle of data science. Business understanding. In the section understand the problem, identify central objectives and identify the variable that need to be predicted. Data acquisition. In this section we will check the what are the data source and which type data need to use our project, and what is the most efficient way to store data and collect the data. Data processing. In this section we will doing the data cleaning like missing value, corrupted data and remove unnecessary data. Data cleaning is a more time consuming task, but it is important task. Data exploration. The data exploration stage is like the brainstorming of data analysis. This is where you understand the pattern and bias in your data. Using all of this information, you start to form hypothesis about your data and the problems you are tracking. Predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is a where machine learning family come into your data science project. Determine optimal data feature for the machine learning model. Create a model that predicts the target most accurate, evaluate and test the efficiency of the model. Data visualization. Data visualization is a tricky field mostly because it seems simple, but it could possible by one of the hardest thing to do well. That's because data viz combines the field of communication, psychology, statistics and art with an ultimate goal of communicating the data in a simple yet effective and visually pleasing way. Deployment. Check the deployment environment for dependency issue. Deploy the model in a pre-production test environment. Monitor the performance. Guys, if you have any problem or do not understand anything, then you can comment, and if you have come to this channel for the first time, subscribe to it and turn on the notification bell so that as soon as the new video comes you can get its notification immediately. If you like this video, then like it and share it. Thank you for watching this video.